bike is that? That is cool. I guess we don't know how bike lanes work! Wrong way, asshole. Must be hard to keep it straight. Wrong way, fucktard. Wrong way, dumb fuck. Wrong side, idiot. How do bike lanes work? Good job blocking the bike lane.
Right?
Hello, hey! You fucking idiot! Fuck you! Wrong way, cum bucket. That's a nice bike you got there. Yep. Fucking great. Great driving. Good job. Just pack it in. Great driving. Wrong way, fuckface! Coming at me, he doesn't even bother to avoid hitting me. I gotta move, right? Run, run! That's not dangerous at all. That's a nice bike you got there. Bang! Wrong way, fucktard. Wrong way, shit biscuit. Wrong way, cum fart. Wrong way, asshole. Bang! Wrong way, fuckface. Wrong way, fucktard. Hey, hey! You fucking idiot! Fuck you! Alright, well, I would like to take the time to thank Jonathan Mabry and Esther C. I'm not sure if I pronounced both your names properly. I do apologize if I butchered it. And I'd like to throw in a shout out for Little Big Toe. You know, always keep moving forward, don't give up. Everything will get better soon. And everybody else who I talk to frequently, I'd like to thank you all. To my regulars and new subscribers, I'd like to thank you who've been there for me and supported me, and hopefully you're there for the rest of the way. Oh no, I ran a light in front of a cop! Holy shit, run! Run! No, he ain't coming. I wonder, he's making a right without a signal? Yes, he is. Where's your signal? Wrong way, cum fart. Great place to stand. Guess you don't know how bike lanes work. Wrong way, ass clown. I guess we don't know how bike lanes work. I guess we don't know how bike lanes work. Fuck your face. Sure light. You gotta look before you cross. Gotta love idiots, right? That's why I got these cameras.
Exactly.
They never look. That's not dangerous at all. Wrong way, dick bag. Good job. What an asshole. That's not dangerous at all. These are gonna stop. Doesn't look. Never look. Wrong way, idiot. You're a fucking idiot. Wrong way, dumbass. Right in the street, coward. I guess we don't know how bike lanes work. Bang! You're an idiot! It's a great place to stand! Hello. Bang! Oh, now he puts on his signal. Gee, I would have guessed. Man, that's a nice bike you got there. Fuck you! Wrong way, shit fucker. Wrong way, shit biscuit. Wrong way, dick bag. Yep. Good job by the NYPD. Let's block the bike lane. Great job. You could easily park across the street, but nope, let's block the bike lane. Wrong way, queef nugget. Could easily park here. Remember kids, when pulling over like that, be sure to use your hazard sign to give the freaking drivers behind you a chance to react. Man, it must be hard to pull in all the way. Must be great with the ladies. Only use the sidewalk to go around, not to ride. Oh, let's just stand right in the street. Bang! It's a smart place to stand. Rawr! That's a smart place to stand. Wrong way, idiot. Wrong way, dumbass. Wrong way, shit biscuit.
Whoa, back up.
Idiot. Thanks for blocking the bike lane. Bang! Cross without looking. Good job blocking the bike lane. Right in the street, coward. Bang! Just look without, just look straight, crossing on a bike lane. Let's do that. Good job blocking the bike lane, asshole. Right here. Oh no, I feel the pedestrian is taking over. Fighting the urge to walk in the bike lane. Must fight it. It's not a sidewalk. No. Stop. No. 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 Well, let me show you how to cross the street when it's not your light. This is for the idiots out there. You look, you keep looking until you get to the other side. Amazing.